that I've learned that, inclusion is no more a buzzword. Inclusion has to be, number 2, hands-on. And number 3, if you're in the position of making a difference, I think one has to actually take this opportunity. And also, one key thing is engaging with the stakeholders over time in terms of whether they are internal or external stakeholders.
3 things that I can learn, such as about the policy, about the implementation, and about the assessment, so that inclusive education can reach all students or prospective students to get learning opportunities.
From this capacity building workshop, I learned that internationalization should not be exclusive to only a small, privileged group of higher education community. A true internationalization should be inclusive to begin with the rights, needs, and benefits of all people in mind, including those from the underrepresented groups.
So I would definitely and strongly recommend the workshop to future potential participants from the ASEAN region. There were a lot of good examples, and I like what we call the very hands-on real events, and we heard real examples and how from theory that has been translated into practice, and that's what I've actually enjoyed truly the most.
I strongly recommend the capacity building workshop to academics like myself because it helped me realise how achievable it is to integrate internationalisation into the curriculum. If we have the university's strategic commitment and enough support, we can use digital learning to enable our students to have an internationalisation experience.